Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to delete a highlight on Instagram. Let's get started. Firstly, open up your Instagram app and go to your profile by clicking at your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then if you have a highlight, you'll see it in the middle of your profile above your Instagram posts. And to delete the highlight, just simply long press that highlight and select Delete Highlight. Confirm that you want to delete. And after a few seconds, that highlight will be removed from your profile. Now, if there are no more highlights and you want to tidy up your profile, tap the tiny arrow icon as the right part to hide the highlights bar. Take note that deleting a highlight will only remove it from your profile, but you can still find your stories in your archive stories. And that's how you can easily delete the highlight on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!